Welcome to part 2 of the 100k ForTraders challenge. We left off with 4,500 in profit. Let's see how we'll do in this episode. Hey, what is up you guys? It is 2 hours before the London Open and I'm seeing an opportunity group right now. It still looks like a breakout to me and I think today will be the day where it finally makes that big move. But we're not gonna put too much. We're gonna put 3 lots in and we're gonna long it from here. We're just gonna risk about 0.5% on this to make possibly around 1% right there. Guys, I think there's a similar thing happening with gold. We're still in an uptrend, as you guys can see from the 89 EMA, and it looks like it just bounced off the EMA again. We are actually going to long gold with 1 lot, and we could scale up this position as well, by the way. Still 1 hour and 45 minutes to go before the London Open, where the volume is actually going to kick in. Alright guys, pretty awesome stuff. So Euro USD ended up breaking out basically right at the London Open, and it is going really fast right now, as you guys can see. Gold is lacking a little bit behind, but also coming along, while right as we speak right now it is pumping. We're about 600 in profit right now. Really good. We're on the right side of the market and I think our take profit will get reached. Guys, so I actually raised the take profit for Euro USD. I just think that it can do more. It's a very nice move, and for gold it is a little bit slower, as you guys can see, but I do think that it has a lot of potential to still move upwards, and we're gonna put the take profit right around the previous high over there. Alright guys, I'm going to a safari actually, so I might have to close the trades a bit earlier. We will make around $1,000 right now, and I think that is plenty. Bulk operations, close all positions. Alright guys, so we have ended up with $5,564 in profit. We might catch another move later today once I'm back from the safari. The safari was actually really cool and the tour guide was really funny, and I'll leave the audio on from the tour itself.
And there's a kids. It's really love to eat the kids. Look ready for fights. 키린 형님, 키린 형님. 네. Hey bro.
And that was definitely the highlight right there, to actually feed a giraffe and see it from so close. That was by far my favorite part of the safari.
Okay, bye bye. She's greeting you. She's angry. You said that tooth guy. She's so angry.
Oh no!
You have to say sorry. You have to say sorry.
No sorry! No sorry!
1, 2, 3. Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka, everybody. Give her bye bye. Annyeong. Annyeong.
Alright guys, so sadly, because we went to the safari, we missed these beautiful huge trades that we could have been in. It is what it is. I'm not complaining guys. It was a good time, and I like to be out of trades while I'm out, especially when I'm scalping. But we are going to enter the opposite direction. But right now the RSI is overbought, and I also see it in the RSI VWAP that it is becoming red over here. So that's a good sign to enter into a trade. And we're also going to sell 1 lot of gold, because it is in a very good zone, pretty much exactly for the same reasons. The RSI is just massively overbought. Alright guys, this is looking pretty good, especially gold. It's definitely a big red candle which is engulfing this other one. And I will put the stop loss, because I haven't set a stop loss for gold yet, but I will put it right above here, somewhere around there. That is a good stop loss, and I'll just let these guys ride. It's almost at 0.5%. Alright guys, it's a bit later and we are quite nicely in profit, so I think I'm going to exit gold right now. I do think that it will make a move up again, so I'm happy with that 600 right there. And for Euro USD, I think where it will go, there's a zone right here that it will go into probably, so it's about a $400 gain, and we're gonna put the stop loss a little bit less than we had before. That's gonna be the trade setup, but we're already 6% up guys. We only need 2% to go. Alright guys, so the reason for entry on gold, this is clearly a bearish divergence right here, it's creating a lower high while it's making a higher high over here. So this is called a bearish divergence on the RSI, and it's something very simple. Not a lot of people use it still, but I do, and for me it works really good. Alright guys, so sadly we actually got out of the position, which kind of sucks a little bit because it did end up going our way. It just eliminated our position, and we originally had the stop loss a bit higher, but that is fine guys. We're entering into this zone right here. This is the Fibonacci that we drew on part 1, and it is getting close to that. Plus I just drew this, and it is also entering into this zone. Plus on the 15-minute time frame, it is oversold already and lots into this position. All right guys, it dipped a little bit lower, but that is so nice about this 89 EMA. It tapped that exactly, as you guys can see, on the 30-minute time frame. So I actually wanted to add a little bit more to the position, but I was a bit late. But for now guys, Euro USD is still in an uptrend, so I do think that it's gonna make maybe even a higher high. So we're gonna see guys. It just bounced off so perfectly off that 89 EMA. Alright guys, it looks like a lot of momentum is behind it right now. I want to actually raise it a little bit higher. If it reaches over here, we would have actually achieved the challenge. But yeah, it could obviously just completely reverse and start going to the other direction. All right, this is where it gets interesting. It's kind of where we actually initially wanted to put our take profit. Right now, what it's struggling with is obviously this area right now. Judging from RSI on 5-minute time frame, it doesn't have that much more room to go, to be honest. It's been many times now that it's trying to break this. So I'm going to leave it, but we are going to change the important factor. I'm not going to risk a single penny on this, so we're going to put it pretty much to break even, or we're going to risk $10, but that's not a big deal. Let's see. This is the decision I'm going to make right now. We could take profit, and we could go for that last 1% on another trade. All right, guys, not a big deal. We lost 10 bucks. It is what it is. Let me just show you what happened. Pretty much right after finished recording, I went out and it basically completely reversed after that. And now I'm looking for a long from this range. We're actually going to scale up this position, start off with 3 lots, then 6 lots, and then finally 10 lots. And the 10 lots is going to be right around this EMA line. And we're going to risk the 3 lots right now, longing with 3 lots right now. So there we go. And our next order, I put it over here. So we're going in with 6 lots in the second order if it does go there. And we got a third order over here with 10 lots, which is going to be the ideal entry. And we're going to put that in right now as well. And guys, the reason I scale up these positions is you never are going to get the perfect entry. You never know exactly where the price is going to stop, unless you have like an imbalance, you kind of know. Well, an absolutely massive candle happened, guys. Bounced off that 89 EMA again. And sadly, the bigger positions didn't get triggered, so it was so close, guys. But that buy limit of 6, you see that buy limit over there, 6, it almost got triggered, guys. It actually was like 1 point away of being hit, but sadly those didn't get triggered. So all we are left with is 600 bucks, and we're gonna take it right now. So let's take a look at our stats right now. We're $6,626 in profit. We got about 1,400 left to go. Trading journal, we made 1,520 yesterday and 629 today. So this is part 2. You saw yesterday and today, and I think Thursday and Friday we'll continue with part 3. So anyways, thanks for watching. Again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments if I didn't explain something well enough. By the way, check out ForTraders.com. They have customizable challenges. You can make them a little bit harder so that you will get a cheaper price. For example, the cheapest price you can get right now, 36 bucks for a 5k challenge. That's pretty cheap, guys. And you can get started with a 5k, or you can go all the way up to 200k, but you can also customize these as you like. And take advantage right now, guys, because there is a Christmas discount right now. You can get them pretty cheap, and also you can win a free challenge from Santa. The details are below on how to do it, and I also made a video on this on how to win a free challenge. There's going to be a lot of giveaways on Christmas Eve, so check it out in the description below. Click the link and use the coupons. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.